Hey guys, what's up and welcome to the show. So today I'm showing you guys the Oster coffee grinder. I'll be showing you guys pretty much how to put it together and how to work it, as well as a little bit of a review. So this is the coffee grinder. This is what it comes with in the package as well. Now this thing is where your coffee beans actually go into. The coffee beans then go down this shaft here, out this hole, and this inside here is what actually grinds them up. There's actually some beans in there, but there's actually a little grinder in there that grinds them up. And this here just simply is what catches the grounds once they're all grinded up and everything like that. It comes through this hole. To put this in, you simply just slide it in until you hear that snap. You hear that snap sound? That means it's actually in. And for this, you can see it's actually got some threads. It's all threaded. So you actually put that in there and you spin it. It'll be getting tighter and tighter as you spin it. And of course on here, as if you could see, it says like French press, drip coffee, espresso. So you pretty much just set your dial to whatever you want. I have espresso I'm going to be putting in here, so that's actually what I'm gonna do. Got some beans in there, so I put it on espresso. Then I have my coffee beans. You just simply dump in here. Now there is a max line on this, so you don't actually fill it past that max line. There's a max line right there, so you actually don't want to go above that line right there. So of course just even it out. Make sure that you're not above that line at all. Don't forget your lid. This is the lid for it. You just simply just put on your lid. Make sure it's plugged in, and on top of here there's a dial that says 2, 4, 6, 8, 10, 12, 18. That's the amount of coffee, cups of coffee that you actually want. So we'll go for 2 cups of coffee. Now this is a power button, and once you're plugged in there, simply just so of course once you have everything set up and good to go and your machine plugged in, you of course just hit that button. It happens. Just warming up there right now. Sometimes you just need to give it that minute. Just give it a moment there. And of course this is what happens when you try to turn the goddamn machine on. Goddamn. Okay, so after about 32 tries, we'll finally try this sumbitch one more time. Fingers crossed. Here goes nothing. Oh, it actually worked. After 32 tries, this thing actually works.